So, guys, I see all of you have the GitHub account. For those who have created their GitHub account for the first time, you should do something like a create a repository. But for us, we use this one, new button. So, to create a new repository, you have to click here and you will see this page where you can put the name of portfolio you want. For instance, let's say this is a personal portfolio. For you, you can put your name like this one. You can here put like this is any description you want. Like this one. Either you can make it as a private or public. For now, let's put this one as a public. And now you can create an account. After creating your repository, you should see something like this one. Could you confirm if you can see this one? Did you create a repository? I see. Wait. How about you? So I see some of you have selected to create a README. That's why you can't see something like this one. So you have to code everything. So the thing we are going to use is like you have to go in your editor, either it is a VS Code or anything you want, and you can see this is our website. So here I'm going to use this code. For those who can see this one, you can either copy the entire thing, and here you have to open your terminal. You can see there is a new terminal here. When you click on this menu icon and you come here on new terminal, either you can use Control Shift and backtick like this one, Control Shift backtick, or you can use this one, Control Shift backtick. So let's open new tab now. Let's see, you should have something like this one. So guys, we are going to deploy our code on the GitHub. So those who don't have this README, this is the code for creating a README using echo command. Like you use echo, wait a bit, echo, and here you can put anything you want. Like this is my portfolio, and when you use this hashtag, it's like putting a bigger size on your text. The more hashtag I use, the smaller text is going to be. Either you can use that one or you can remove this one. So here, let's put like this is my portfolio. My portfolio. So after that, here you can put any file you want. Any file you want to be there. Here you have to put the location. Here we want to create a new file called leadme.md, like this one. So when I hit enter, I should see something like lead me here with this text. Let's see if that works. Let's hit enter. And I can see here, now we have this one. Then we are going to initialize our Git repository using Git init. We work on people who have Git installed. So to do that, you have to use git init. Can see after creating this command, there will be a new file for GitHub. Here you can see here on this folder on desktop portfolio. In your folder, you can see the file.git in your folder where you are going to deploy after creating this command. And you see the message like initialized an empty Git repository in this location. If you click on here, you can see this is not a link because you have it locally. Could you see something like this one in your report? Engineers, did you see something like this one after creating an empty Git file? All of you? Yeah, okay. So here, instead of adding only readme, we are going to add all the entire files. Because here you can see we have different changes. You can commit here to add all of them, but for now, let's use some commands. Here, put like git add. Instead of readme, we want to add the entire thing. So to add everything, you have to use dot. This dot help you to add the files that you have created and all the codes. Did you done this one? Git add period. So guys, let's continue. We are going to commit. If you see here, after adding the files, you can see when you put git status, there are some files that have been stacked. You can see there is no commit on this branch. Here, initially the branch is the main, is the master, but for us, we are going to make a main branch. So You see there are some files here. We are going to commit all of them by using git commit. Here you have to use -m for message, and here you can put any message you want. Here let's put started developing my portfolio, like this one. Can put something like this one. So the next thing we are going to do, we can see the better way to see if the change has been committed. Here is the icon for showing the file that had not been committed. You can see that all things have been stacked, but they are not committed. If you are using VS Code, you can see here you can put the message instead of using git commit. But for now, let's use command. And you can see there are 19 changes. When you click enter, you can see all the changes has been committed. Now, we are going to create a branch. If you look here, we have a master branch. This is the default, but for now, let's use a main branch. You can use any name for branch by using git branch. You can see my screen. Let's use git branch. Here you have to use -M and put any name you want. For now, let's use main branch, like this one. So do it fast. I want you to go in the break with this code on your GitHub, and afternoon we are going to deploy on the native file. Done. Engineer, send it here in the branch. You can see here, run the master. But before deploy everything, you can see the changes. You can see master. But this is good. Then create a branch. Okay. So guys, let's continue. And guys, the next thing we want to put the source file for this one. Can you confirm if you can have this one in your GitHub? We are going to set remote origin by using command git remote add. Here you have to put origin since it is the first time. And I've seen some people who have created a readme file. You are not able to see this one, isn't it? Can you see this one on your end for those who have created readme when they are initializing their repo. You can't see this one. All of you guys can see it. But for you, let me show something. When you are on your GitHub, like let's take this one. You see something like this one, isn't it? All of you guys, do you have something like this one on your end? When you come here on code, you will see this is the origin. This one. Can you see this one? All of you? You've done? Then copy this one. For me, I'm going to use this one. They are the same. But for you, you have to copy this one on your portfolio. And here, after git remote add origin, you can put your origin like this one. Let's see. Git remote. To see your remote origin, you use git remote -v, like this one. Here I might put git remote. Now, yeah, you should go on a Netlify account. Then push the code. Yeah. Okay. I see most of you should have something like this one on the GitHub.
Which one?
Yeah, your repo with these files. And you can see your commit message and the time you have uploaded the code. So now let's move on Netlify. You should have something like this one when you go on netlify.com. Did you see something like this one?
Yeah.
All of you? Netlify.
Those guys are stopped. Okay, next. Which game? Huh? Which game, man? The ball. He didn't want to be funny here.
So guys, let's continue. So what you are going to do here, you have to click on add new project button.
Yeah.
Here,
Yeah.
you should see something like this one.
They're asking auto runs.
Then select GitHub. You need to authorize your GitHub account to Netlify. When it is success, you should see something like this one. You see there are many repos you have here. Here you can search your repo. For me, mine is personal portfolio, like this one. Let me search for it. So here you can configure how it should look like. Here, let's say for instance, the project name. Here, if you want, you can put any name you want, or if you prefer the one on your GitHub, you can use that one. For me, I'm going to call it my portfolio, for instance. my portfolio. You can put any name you want. You can see my portfolio is not available. It has been used with someone else. But because we are using a portfolio for Hassan, and put here Hassan portfolio. This is not available. Let's put something different. You can see now the project name is available. Are you able to use your custom project name? So here, you have to make sure that you choose the correct branch. If you are using master, you have to select master. If it is a main, you have to select main. So base directory here we don't need, and also the build command we don't need since we are using HTML. But next week we start looking how to use the build command, how to set the environment variables. So for now, what we are going to do is to deploy Hassan personal portfolio. Click on deploy. Deploy. I think you have something like this one. So the first step is to deploy your project, set custom
Are
domain.
you still sharing your screen?
Tomorrow we have IoT class.
Yeah, you have to come.